As if the Bugatti Veyron wasn't rare enough, there is a special world record edition that's limited to 5 units in the entire world. There's only 2 in the US, and we have 1 here today. All 5 units were built exactly the same. They have the world record orange body detailing, matching wheels, black carbon fiber body, and the speed limiter is removed. These produce about 1,200 horsepower and a little over 1,100 foot-pounds of torque, creating a top speed of 268 miles per hour. Over here, we have the factory rims and tires. These tires new will cost you $45,000. The wheels are magnesium and they also have a shelf life. We had HRE build us this set of P200 Forged wheels. We then had them custom powder coated to match the world record orange.